Hey guys, welcome to Common Fixes. Today we're working on a 2023 Ford F150 Limited. It came in with an issue of the running board not working. That's an electronic running board, so when you open and close the door, it goes in and out, and it was not working. There was a motor that was replaced from another shop, and still it was not working, so it came to me. I checked it out. I checked the wires for it, the main two wires for the power and ground for the motor, which are down here. Sorry, let me focus better. So this is the connector. Connector looked okay. There was no corrosion, nothing in there, but I had no power on the blue and white wire. So the blue and white wire, and the white wire, that's for your main powers and grounds for the motor. So I checked the continuity. Where this board is being controlled by is from the seat control module, which is under the seat. So I checked the continuity between those two. The white one had continuity and the blue one did not. So that continuity, that seat control module is over here under the seat. There are about 6 connectors to it. Starting from the passenger side, you would have connector A, B, C, D, and E. So D and E are used for the floorboard, and D here is the connection. The two white wire, the white wire and the blue and white wire, they're both right here at the top of this connector. So I checked it continuity from here. The white one had continuity, blue one did not. So I traced it back and I took out this floorboard right here. I took this out and found that, well, the customer also complained this light was not working. So when I checked, it was all corroded and burnt, almost caused a fire. So I'll be replacing that. That is done. And then also the wires, they come from under the seat. They come right here and they go across here, and then from here it goes down through the floor to the floorboard step. So I checked continuity from literally right here going all the way to the module. The continuity was good, but from here to the motor down there where I showed you the connector, there was no continuity in that blue and white wire. So I opened it up. So right in this section where this plastic is, right under it where this wire comes through, that's where they corrode. So I'll show you right in here. Once you open it up, sorry, let me focus the camera. Right here, all filled with corrosion. So it's not going to be just that one wire, it's going to be multiple wires. They're going to have to be soldered, cut, and rejoined, and then everything should be perfect. Thank you for watching. I hope this helped. Give me a thumbs and a like. Till next time, take care.